So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. You're amazing. If no one's told you today, I think you're amazing. So yeah, so if you have subscribed, thank you. Amazing, you are amazing. If you haven't, could you please perhaps consider subscribing, because I would appreciate it so much and it would mean the world to me and it would actually help me out so much. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Today's video is kind of short, brief. It's just an unboxing, but I really wanted to share it with you guys because I know that people are probably perhaps thinking of buying items like this because it's now that season. So yeah, let's get into today's video. So we are in that awful dreaded season of winter. Well, it's not really dreaded, like it's not bad weather, like the dressing, the outfits, the clothes that we get to wear are pretty cool, but you know, anyways, back to what we're here for, right? So as you know, we are here and I'm going to choose my brand new scarf ready for winter. So this scarf is actually from Gucci, but I actually ordered it from Harvey Nicks, which is a store that's based in London. So Harvey Nicks is a store. So the scarf came in a beautiful box like this, and it came wrapped in the tissue paper as well, and inside comes the Harvey Nichols note there, and it's got like a little note inside, and the scarf actually arrived in the Harvey Nichols box. Like I said, open the box, you've got tissue paper in there, and this scarf is actually brand new season, but you cannot actually find this on the Gucci site, which I'm a little bit confused. But when you go on the Harvey Nichols site, it says it's brand new, so it's meant to be a new season color. And the color that we've gone for is this gorgeous pink. Let me see what the label says. So on the label, you've got the Harvey Nichols tag. And then obviously you've got the Gucci authentication. You've also got the Gucci authentic type cards where it gives you your, okay, so it's the, okay, so it says it's 100% WOSC New Stern 4X 180 100% WO, whatever that means. You've got some writing in a different language. You've got, oh, so it's like the care. Oh no, it's your authenticity certificate that they provide in various different languages, which is good. And then you've got the scarf. So it's quite a long scarf. It's got the beautiful Gucci monogram. On the sides, you've got the Gucci label there, which tells you where it's made, the fabric, made in Italy, Fabric and Italia. Oh, it tells you the measurements, guys. So it's 48 inches. Is that focusing? Yeah, there is. So it's 48 times by 180 centimeters. So it's probably 48 centimeters wide. So you've got the gorgeous Gucci monogram print, which is just amazing. You've also got the Gucci tag there. But the best thing about this scarf, guys, is the fact that you've got two colors. So you've got this kind of fuchsia, mauvey kind of pink, but then you've also got this gorgeous baby pink. So depending on what you are feeling like and the mood that you're in or what you're wearing, I just feel like this color is the type of color that can kind of just lift anybody's skin tone. So you've also got this kind of, I don't know what to call it, guys. I don't know if it's feathering or, but there's a trimming anyways. There. So there is various ways that obviously you can wear this. You can wear this as a shawl if you wanted to as well. Like so. You could obviously wear this around the neck as well. And I just think it's such a nice little touch, you know, especially because I'm quite a plain colored type of person. I don't really wear color. So I figured I would try something that has like a splash of color, because like I said, I'm not really a color person. I like whites, I like neutral colors, I like beiges. So because I'm not really like a color person, so I figured I would try something that's a little bit out of my comfort zone. So I kind of went with pink. I mean, I love the color pink, don't get me wrong. And I'm actually thinking of getting, they've got this also camel color. It's like a beige, so I figured that would be ideal, just to kind of brighten up any outfit. And I just feel like even you can wear this kind of scarf in summer as well, so when the weather is like kind of, you know, perhaps if you're on holiday, over the shoulders. So it's something that you will get multiple use out of. So I think it's definitely a really good investment. I think if you are out there on the market looking for something that you kind of want to wear for winter, but you can also use it for other occasions too, I think the Gucci scarf is definitely a fantastic investment piece to make. And yeah, that was my mini unboxing of my Gucci scarf, ready for the cold weather. Even though it's really hot in England today, I have no idea why, but it is. But anyways, that was my mini unboxing today for you guys. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you so much if you have made it to the end of the video. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't and you've lasted this long on this video, could you please perhaps hit the subscribe button? It'll literally take like 2 seconds. I'll wait. See, easy as that. So yeah, so if you have enjoyed, please do hit the subscribe button, do hit the like button. If you have any more questions, if you want me to do more of an in-depth review about the scarf, please do not hesitate to ask, because I would definitely enjoy doing that for you guys. I have loads of more videos coming up. I've got a brand new unboxing, well, I've got a few unboxings coming up very soon. So yeah, so do stick with me, and thank you so much. Have a really good weekend, take care, and I look forward, or a week, or the month, or wherever you're at, doing whatever you're doing at the moment. Have a good time doing it.